I have seen a politician with house full of money. I ask myself, how can, is this normal to store money in a house? So this is kind of a politics down there. But people, like we have one singer called Fela Nikulapo. He said, suffering and smiling. We are suffering downtown in home, but we are smiling like nothing happened. But people who makes money. People who enjoy from all this corruption and everything, they do enjoy. And people who have to leave because there's no security for them. Even you are calling police, please police, can you, the people want to attack my house. Police will tell you, go under your bed, hide there, check their face, don't come out, don't open door. If they open door, give them what you want. We don't have oil, we don't have gas, we don't have bullets in our gun. So this kind of excuse they'll be giving you. And so here I don't see people just die anyhow, like arm robber, but in Nigeria, people just die like chicken. People die every second, every minute for some stupid insecurity, poverty and everything, ignorance.
Šta bi bilo brain?
Mozak.
Šta bi bilo heart?
Srce.
Body?
Tijelo.
Šta bi bilo back?
Leđa.
Kako ono kao? Leđa. Šta bi bilo vegetables?
Povrće.
Village?
Selo.
Šta bi bilo train station?
Željeznička stanica.
Bravo.
You actually want good.
Nabila says it's got people coming.
Anybody need a bag?
Anybody need bag?
Azilanti uglavnom nemaju baš neki prihod i u teškoj su situaciji, pa onda njima dajemo što trebaju, pogotovo sad kad je zima, onda jakne, zimske stvari i tako. Ja sam iz Engleske inače, tu sam već 30 godina, tako živim skoro više od pola života ovdje u Hrvatskoj. Ja sam se udala i imamo 4 djece, živim ovdje. Naša motivacija je da jednostavno pomažemo ljudima s onim što smo mi dobili. Mi smo puno dobili i previše. Svi smo vjernici ovdje, kršćani. Božja ljubav za nas je naša motivacija da služimo drugima i pomažemo drugima.
Lóbi ṣe méèkì wán ọ̀run yàbọ̀ kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ ẹnìkan.
I want to help people. I want to let some people life change. I hope, because my life changed, of course. Because I should have died somewhere on the road, in Libya, on the sea, or in Nigeria. So, but if I'm alive, why not? I could do something. I could let people, feel at home too here.
It's time to dance, don't let me put your shoes on your waistline, back and front, let the groove on. I dey feel irate cause Baba ti down si bere.
No father, no mother, no your people, there's no language. So you feel like nothing. You feel like you are not among. And the way the system of asylum here, people, you don't feel in the system. You are like separate. When you are in the bus, everybody do like this. When you are in the coffee, nobody would like to sit with you. Or sometimes they don't even sell coffee for you. Or you want to go to club, give ID. You don't have ID, go out. Or you have ID of asylum, you cannot enter. So who are you? You are nobody. You are like nothing. But now, I'm something. I have my name. Everybody call me like in my document, and that is really good feeling.
تهريب صعب. تهريب أول شيء في التهريب ممكن مهدد للقتل، مهدد للنهب في حالة النصب. في كثير من الشباب ماتوا في طريقة التهريب. ممكن مهدد لحوادث بعض الأحيان. أشياء يعني صعبة في التهريب، صعبة. إذا حصلت عمل خير إن شاء الله حصل عمل، إن شاء الله حصل عمل، لكن ما حد يعرف عن المستقبل. لكن إذا حصلت عمل يعني بتكون حياة أفضل. عائلتي بفكر فيهم ليل ونهار.
I'm not scared of anything, of people. I like to be engaged in things, and I like changes from bad to good. So if I see job in NGO groups, like I'll still like to work there just to survive, but to put my effort to change a lot of things, to help some people who really need help. And that's why I'm trying to deal with this migrant issue, and I'm trying to see, okay, if I couldn't get a job, but with this, maybe we'll have this African association, maybe we can be stronger, maybe we can have administrators too, that we can work for people of African and Croatian people, you know. There's a lot of problems around, and we can solve a lot of things. Okay, so this association of African in this country, I think we should have this association, very strong association that will protect the image of Africans, no matter what, migrants, workers, married men, students, and everything. I want all Africans to become one, to protect our rights, and to share information about what is going on in Africa, you know, then to promote our culture. So there's a lot of things, but I think everybody have something to say. So you can continue.
I'm so happy for this day. I want something like that to come up about our culture. I love African culture, and most Croatian people they love to see African culture, and I love Croatian culture also. So I want something to come up like this, so people will be united, people will be good to each other. So I don't want, sometimes I'll be in the train, they will be looking at, who is this man, you know, something like that. So I want something like that to come up, which will be together, to unite together.
We want the people to know that we are not violent. We are not in any way kind of rugged kind of people of no class and people of no future. We have aims. We have respect for every human on earth. Yes, irrespective of any kind of religion, being it a Muslim, a Christian, Hindus, Buddhism, whatever, atheist, whatever.
It's kind of weird when you are here and you see some kids and they ask you, where are you from? When you say African, they say, do you have monkey in your house? Do you live with elephants? And you know, but with this kind of stuff, this kind of association, this kind of it makes people get to know you. It makes people get to know where you come from. It makes people get to know the kind of morals and values you have. And it unites people. It let them know, okay, what do you do? What are you doing in your place? What are you bringing out to the world?
We're going to have office. It's going to be an administrative office. We'll work 24/7 because we have a lot of things we have to do, you know, in terms of, we're going to have lawyers that will work with us. We're going to have a section for culture, a section for education, a section for integration, and, you know, working. We have a lot of things. We have people, you know, there's people now that cannot come today. It's about 20 people. And people that from Facebook told me, from Pula, from Rieka, from Split, there are many. People who moved. People who want to live like they live in Europe. People want to survive for me, it's not like I really want to leave my country and everything. See, I lost 2 brothers. I lost a lot of friends. I could lost my life too, and my generation is finished. So, I think I'm so grateful that I'm here today, and I can today talk here, because it's really, really big chance for me to stay alive and to be able to talk like this. And there's still thousands of people out there. You can see them. Everybody has story. Oh.
Servus dragi Zagreb moj, kaj se skrivaš v megli toj, kaj da bi se nekaj sramil, ti se nemaš sramit kaj, sad sem tu, ipak sem tvoj. Servus dragi Zagreb moj, sad sem tu, ipak sem tvoj. Servus dragi Zagreb moj,